In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the download menu in Microsoft Edge. It's a simple process, but it's great for keeping track of your downloads, especially if you're someone who downloads a lot of files and wants quick access to them. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Edge browser. You can do this by clicking on the Edge icon, which you might find on your taskbar or in the Start menu. Once Microsoft Edge is open, navigate your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the browser window. Here you'll see three horizontal dots. This is the menu button, your gateway to various settings and options within Edge. Clicking on these three dots will open a drop-down menu, and from there you need to look for an option labeled Settings. Give that a click. This will take you to a new page filled with various settings that you can tinker with. But don't worry, today we are just focusing on one particular setting related to downloads. Once you're on the Settings page, glance over to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a list of categories. Your goal here is to find and select the option that says Accessibility. Why accessibility, you might ask? Well, this section encompasses various settings that enhance your browsing experience, including some related to how Edge presents information and notifications to you. After selecting Accessibility, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. You should now be looking for a setting called Show Downloads Menu when a download starts. This option is quite handy because with just a simple toggle, you can ensure that every time you initiate a download, the Downloads menu will automatically pop up, giving you immediate access to your files. Next to Show Downloads menu when a download starts, there should be a toggle button. If it's not already enabled, click on this toggle. When activated, you'll see it shift position, generally changing color to indicate that the setting is now on. That's it. With this toggle switched on, you'll have quicker and easier access to your downloads as they start, saving you time and adding convenience to your browsing experience, and that's all there is to it. You've just enabled the feature that allows the Downloads menu to appear automatically every time you start a new download in Microsoft Edge. This straightforward adjustment can make a big difference in how efficiently you manage your downloaded files. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and happy browsing!